Here are the top 5 tips to increase your sales using the best sales CRM. Now, the points what I'm mentioning here, you have to either find a CRM which is having all these features and benefits, or you can choose Solid Performers CRM which is already having all these features. Now make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so that you'll be getting updates on all regular new videos. Now in the new videos, you'll be getting lots of information about sales, business, growth and tips and tricks. Now have you wondered why many companies, that too big and large organizations, are using CRM software? Many times you are not even thinking about it, right? Now in this video I'll be showing you the top 5 tips, and I will also show you why you have to use a CRM in case if you're not using CRM, to make sure that it really helps you in your business growth. Number 1, data building. Using CRM software, you can be able to build a lot of very good data. Now whenever you're running an ad or campaign, in most of the situations only 2 to 3% of the enquiries are really looking out for your product at that point in time. Now what happens to the rest 98% of the leads? You will be following up with them for some time and then you will be forgetting about them. Now if you use a CRM software, it will be really useful for you to have a track about all the leads, and you can be able to follow up with them and close it. Now what happens in this, even if you made additional 1 or 2 conversions, your conversion percentage will increase from 100% to 150 or 180%. That is the primary thing, and that is the main reason large organizations are using CRM software. Now the second most important thing is lead nurturing. Now what is lead nurturing? It is sharing regular information about your service and products to make sure that your lead understand what is your primary business, why are you doing this, what are the advantages of taking or subscribing for your product or service. Now in this lead nurturing process, it will be very difficult for you to do everything on a manual basis. Instead, if you do this activity once and if you run it on autopilot mode, it will be happening automatically for each and every lead. You can be able to set up automations with delays. Say for example, the first automation will go on day 1 and the second or third automated mail which is related to your lead nurturing will go on day 3. Now in this case, the lead who has made the inquiry before 1 month, still they will be getting an information about your business, and they will not forget about your business, and they might come and do a business with you. That is the next advantage. Now the next most important thing is again sales automation. As I told in point 2, with the help of sales automation, you can be able to nurture your leads. Now many times, as I said earlier, we fail to do the follow-ups and so we are losing the conversion. Right? Now if you want to tackle all these things in an effective way, automation is really required, so that you will not find any kind of loss during this entire process. And this process can go on for 1 week or 1 month or 1 year also, and you can select all these leads and send them a notification or an alert or an update, whatever you want to send it to them, you can send it, because you have a very healthy data and you can be able to make use of that in an effective way. Next important thing is build a healthy pipeline. What is a pipeline? It is basically, you cannot build the business which is going to happen only this month. You have to build the business which is going to happen for the next 6 months or 1 year. That is what big or large enterprises do. Now why do they do that? The reason is because you cannot expect a business to happen immediately within this month or within a week. Right? Many a times it takes time for the conversion to happen based on its own cycle. Now you should be in a position to wait for it. Now when you wait for it, what will happen is you'll be getting the new leads as well as these existing leads also will get converted. For this to happen, you really need to wait. Now how to wait? Because if you wait, you will forget following up with them, right? So that is the reason you have to build a healthy sales pipeline. In case if you are getting 100 leads, out of the 100 leads, 10 leads will be interested in taking your business next month, and they might ask you to contact next month. So in that case, it will be really useful for you to manage all your data with the help of CRM software. And the last and the important tip is team management. Now with the help of CRM software, you can be able to track all the activities related to sales or follow-ups, whatever is happening with regards to a particular lead or client. And you can also be able to track what is going on with your team, whether they are doing all the follow-ups on a regular basis or they are missing out any follow-ups, what is the activity that they have done for a particular day. This will help you in identifying where is the bottleneck, and you can be able to guide and help your team to grow to the next level. Now these are all the 5 tips to increase your sales using a CRM software. Now whatever tips I have mentioned, Solid Performers CRM is having all these benefits, whatever I told, and it is having much more. Now as a bonus for watching this video, I am giving you a 1-month free trial of Solid Performers CRM in the description. You can use the coupon code to avail 1 month of free trial, explore the CRM, and if you feel CRM software is really required for you, make sure to use the product without any kind of hesitation, because CRM is an investment and it is not an expense. Thank you so much for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe and follow our channel. Thanks.